Look at that. Look at the gap in that. That is huge. So honestly, you guys, you know, I know I did a video and I was telling a lot of you guys that if you guys are looking for an HFP body kit, I mean, come to these guys, Extreme Parts. Do not buy anything from those guys. I've seen a lot of reviews and the reviews are bad reviews, but because I got a kit from them before, and you know, of course, when you buy aftermarket kits, it requires a few modifications, you know, but the last one I got, it was just very minor modifications. This one is completely, it's almost like they put it through a completely different mold. It's really bad, you know, so I would not recommend you guys getting anything from those guys, Extreme Parts. What is up, guys? Another beautiful day. I am just heading home from work now, and I decided to stop at the body shop because my car is getting painted, and I just kind of want to check upon it and you know, see the process, and share a little bit with you guys. Put my window down so you guys can see where I'm at. We've got a Tesla here. We've got another Tesla behind it, and this is the body shop, you guys. If you guys are ever in the Brampton GTA area, you know, definitely bring your car here to this guy. He does an amazing job, and I mean, he charge I mean, fair enough price, right? So, and guys, I kind of want to show you guys a little bit about my the body kit as well, because the guys that I bought the body kit from, it's just been pure problems with the body kit. It doesn't fit, it doesn't line up. And when I called the guy back to kind of say, hey, you know what's going on, he pretty much gave me the runaround. So I wouldn't recommend anybody buying anything from that shop. He just pretty much cares about getting your money. And once he gets your money, he doesn't even care if the parts fit or if it doesn't fit. So let me go see if this guy's still here. So, man. Where is the car? Oh, it's in the back somewhere. Fine. Okay, you guys, the car is out here in the back, ready to be painted. My lace is out. Oh man, I just stepped into mud. My lace is all dirty. I don't know why. My wife tells me all the time, tie your shoelace. I never do. You know, it's all, oh, look at that. What in the world? Look at that. It's mud. Ugh. Here's my little pathway. Car's right over there, you guys. So let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, it's been raining for the last few days. So pretty much what I'm waiting for now, I'm waiting for the fog light. I'm also waiting for the headlight because it's got new headlights and new fog lights. And so he didn't want to go ahead and start painting it without installing that, because I don't want to have to take the bumper off and redo it. So I think now, you know, just let it wait for a little bit. I'm not in a hurry for the car, so it's okay with the car waiting a little bit before we get painted. But he looked like he's done pretty much most of the body work. He's got a couple of rust spots on there. He's taking care of that. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys the car. So there it is. That's what it looks like so far. Oh, he already painted this guy. So the grill's already painted, which is awesome. Looks amazing. Yeah, I'm liking that. So this is, it's painted like a gloss black. I wanted to just leave this, the regular matte color. Then I'm gonna get a nice emblem for that, which is gonna be awesome. Look like, oh, he's got the full kit on there, but he's not fully secured yet. This is one of the problems, guys, I was having with the body kit. You see that? Huge gap there. So I wouldn't recommend you guys buying anything from these guys. And I called the guy and talked to him about it, and pretty much, you know, what do you expect for getting something for $580, right? That's what I get from him. And this side as well, you can see that. Look at that. Look at the gap in that. That is huge. So honestly, you guys, you know, I know I did a video and I was telling a lot of you guys that if you guys are looking for an HFP body kit, I mean, come to these guys, Extreme Parts. Do not buy anything from those guys. I've seen a lot of reviews, and the reviews are bad reviews, but because I got a kit from them before, and you know, of course, when you buy aftermarket kits, it requires a few modifications, you know, but the last one I got, it was just very minor modifications. This one is completely, it's almost like they put it through a completely different mold. It's really bad, you know. So I would not recommend you guys getting anything from those guys, Extreme Parts. Don't buy anything from them. They've got bad reviews. All this guy cares about is getting your money, and once you get your money, he doesn't even care if the part doesn't fit. You can't return it because it clearly says on there, no refund, you know, no return, which clearly tells you all he wants is your money. He doesn't care. Once he gets your money, so be it. So that is not good business principle. And I really like all my subscribers and all you guys that watches my video, and I don't want you guys to run into the same you know, issues that I had with this guy, because I ended up had to exchange a few really strong words with this guy, which I really didn't want to, and pretty much just block him. I really don't want nothing to do with this guy again. So just want to give you guys a heads up, do not buy anything from this guy. I'll show you guys again. It's just got gaps everywhere. Like, this is like, it's putting so much strain on the bumper, so he's probably gonna have to cut this and probably bent it to fit the shape of the bumper, and then I don't know, put a piece in there. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but yeah, or just push up. I don't know how he's gonna do that, but here's the side. Oh, that looks good. Wow, yeah, that looks good. Oh man, there's a gap here. Oh my god, look at that. Guys, look at that. Look at this, you guys. It's short. It's supposed to come back, and oh, what in the world? I don't know. So there you go. So there's another problem for you right there. It's actually short, right? It's short. So I don't know how he's gonna do that, because of course that can't stay like that. But man, not an issue there for you guys. See, it's a little short. Open up the door. Oh, he locked it. Yeah, I guess it's probably not a bad idea. Come around to the back. Let's see the rear. The rear looks good. See, that's how that's supposed to fit flush like this. This looks good. This looks good. Yeah, that's actually looking really nice. Let's check out the other side. Oh man, nice and smooth. Yeah, that's looking nice. Let's see here. A little bit of gap there, but I'm sure. A little bit of gap there, but I'm sure he's gonna take care of that. Yeah, that looks good. Same thing on this side. Look, this side is even shorter. Look at that. It's even shorter, you guys. It's actually shorter. There, so you guys can see. It's much shorter. Wow. I can't even open the door. Oh man. I don't know. Just giving you guys a wide angle view of the car. So that's what she looks like so far, but oh man, when it's done, you guys, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna look awesome, absolutely awesome. Wow. It's really not looking nice right now. I don't know, but when it's done, it's gonna look amazing. I'm like, wow. So that is what it looks like, my 2009 Honda Accord V6 6-speed manual transmission. Look at the gap. Look at this thing. Look at that. Jeez. Oh. Kit's looking nice. I'm gonna put a grill at the bottom down there. And I'm gonna paint these guys black. Just right here, I'm gonna paint I'm gonna paint this black and these guys black. Put a grill back there. Yeah. Let's see. On the here. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's put this back down. Okay, hold on. I don't want to really touch anything. Okay, let me just, oh, you know what? Let me just do it from here. Let's do it from here. I'm not sure if there's a reason why he didn't close that. But yeah, okay, you guys. So that's what the car looks like. And I'm sure next time you guys see the car, it's gonna look amazing. And like I said, you guys, this guy's a really good you know, bodywork guy. Pretty much he's been working on a lot of high-end cars, like another Tesla over here. And guys, check out this in the back, you guys. Check this out. Check out this Corvette. Wow. That is nice. That is really nice. Yeah, so here, and you got a nice Infinity over there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video right now. My wife's waiting for me, and I appreciate you guys, you know, stopping by and checking out the video. But next time when you see this beautiful 8 Gen, it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look absolutely amazing, you know. And pretty much, I told him, dude, I don't even care how much it's gonna cost right now, because after dealing with the guy that I bought the HFP kit from, I got so frustrated. I was a little bit angry, and I said to my body shop guy, I don't even care what it costs. You know what I mean? Just get it done right. When I look at it, I want everything to be perfect, and I don't care how much it costs. Just do it. You know what I mean? I'll pay you for it. And so he said no problem. So yeah. So when you guys see it again, it's gonna look amazing. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Appreciate all the subscribers. And all the thumbs up. Thumbs up are great. I appreciate the thumbs up as well. And I appreciate all the love you can get on the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. And as always, guys, I'm going to run. It's a little bit windy, and starting to feel a little bit cold. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.